Throw back under this old bridge plank here. Try to get it right as close as I can because they hide underneath of it. Turn just a little bit. See that crack right there, and then there's another one about 8 foot down. They like to hide in between there, back underneath that dock, or whatever you want to call it. You can see at the end over there it's hollow. It's a bridge plank. Oh, got something on my hot dog here. Ooh, probably a catfish, I'm guessing. Big, whatever it is. Ooh. Try not to horse him too bad. It's probably a cat, I'm guessing. Or a turtle. Had a big old snapping turtle here one day. Well, that thing is big, whatever it is. Whatever it is, it's huge. He's trying to tie me up to stuff. I bet it's a big old catfish. Looks like it probably is. Yeah, it is. It's a cat. Break my rod. Yeah, it's huge. I catch a lot of these guys here, and they always get you wet. Exactly what I had in mind right off the bat. Come on, Bubba. Good size as catfish go. See if I can get him without him getting me.